Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something really special for all the gardening enthusiasts out there. We're taking a closer look at what many are calling the best top vision jump starter for your plants. The JumpStart MTPRTC listed digital controller germination heat map thermostat. If you're looking to optimize your seed germination or eco-friendly home brewing, then this controller might just be the perfect companion for you. Let's dive right in. This powerful little device comes with a lot of features designed to ensure your seedlings grow strong and healthy. The MTPRTC thermostat is proudly listed, which means it meets stringent safety standards that you can trust. With a controllable temperature range from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for providing the ideal environment for germination and rooting. Whether you're nurturing delicate seedlings or maintaining the optimum temperature for fermentation in home brewing, this thermostat can handle it all. Its digital temperature control is straightforward, allowing you to easily switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit to suit your preference. One of the standout features is the LED heating indicator light, which provides you with instant feedback that your heat mat is operational. No more guessing whether your plants are getting the warmth they need. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just place the heat mat, plug in the thermostat, and program your desired temperature. You'll have the ideal conditions for your plants in no time. Beyond gardening, this thermostat proves to be a versatile tool. It's not just great for seedlings. It also shines in reptile terrariums and small pet enclosures, ensuring that your little friends remain comfortable in their habitats. The JumpStart MTPRTC thermostat has garnered a lot of attention for its reliability and performance, also boasting a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. And with over thousands of positive ratings, it's clear that gardeners and hobbyists alike trust this product to deliver consistent results. In summary, the JumpStart MTPRTC digital controller is an exceptional tool for anyone serious about gardening, brewing, or keeping pets toasty warm. Its safety certification, ease of use, and versatility make it a perfect addition to your plant care arsenal. So if you're looking to elevate your gardening game, consider adding the JumpStart thermostat to your setup. Get yours today and give your plants the nurturing they need to thrive. As always, thank you for joining us here at Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on products that enhance your life.